10 brand new choppers turned over to PAF. The Philippine Air Force on Monday received 10 brand new helicopters as part of the billion-peso modernization program for a country trying to build a minimum. 8 of the choppers are Bell 412Es worth P4.8 billion, which will be used for combat support and humanitarian assistance and disaster response operations. 3 of these will be temporarily deployed to the 250th Presidential Airlift Wing to transport VIPs in the upcoming Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation (APEC) Summit. 5 of the Bell 412Es will be deployed to the 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing. They were repainted similar to the vintage Huey choppers. 2 other brand new helicopters are the Augusta Westland 109S, which will be used for close air support, armed air reconnaissance, forward air control and armed escort. The Air Force is expecting 6 more of these in the coming months. All the 8 attack helicopters are worth P3.4 billion. The attack helicopters will be deployed to the 15th Strike Wing in Sangley Point, Cavite. It is likened to the MD-520MG currently used in close air support. These choppers will be armed with .50 cal machine gun and rockets. We are still in the starting phase as far as our modernization program is concerned. As you have witnessed this morning, we have brand new aircraft that came in lately, but we expect more to come in before the year ends. Air Force Chief. Minimum credible defense is still a long way to go. We are just starting our capability. We still have a lot of things to do, but we are taking it one step at a time, he added. The modernization of the armed forces has been a long and painstaking process. Defense Secretary admitted in his remarks at the turnover ceremony. This is so because the acquisition costs of our minimum requirements on materials and equipment for operational readiness are constrained by our financial capability, he said.